Excuse me, mate. Do you know what the Broadway pub is?
No, mate.
No. Well, I think someone said it was round here, so I don't know where it was. He's still going to get me a few pints, so I don't know where the fuck he is. Do you know where the Broadway pub is? No. Well, this fella had a tap inside his nose and his ears and his teeth fell out of his head. And what I was going to say was, it's like, I don't know where the fuck I am. I mean, I'm trying to find the Broadway pub, but I don't know where the fuck it is. But anyway, I found a bin rice with a chicken leg in it. I ate it. It was nice and fucking chickeny with sauce over it, pork sauce, fucking dirty ass dicks, and calling fucking sauce dicks. And I found this pub today. I don't know where the fuck I am. Look. There's no fucking horse racing, or there's no fucking pigeons. Pigeons usually fly up there. See there, look, right, look, see. Pigeons fly up there, right? Right. It's too fucking hot, right? It's hot as fuck, right? Right there, right? I'm fucking, put the stuff over there, right? So, at the day, it's nice, sunny. Let's see, look, see all the birds? See the bird then? The birds? Well, this fella, right, flew over a cockatoo tree, right? He went through someone's hair. And he put his hand inside someone's watch, and then the fella watched him behind his watch back, and then when he done a backflip, he done a front flip, and when he went in the sky, a truck come over and a bus ran his finger over, so he jumped into the fucking thing, and I thought, I fucking sound, I'm going to brush my ass today, and get a shower, and wash my nose. But anyway, at the end of the day, we're not licking the fucking flies' arses, and today, nice sunny day. At the day, I know for the fact I'm looking nice and smart. I can say no more now, all I'm saying now is good day.